Tokyo, neon lights, high-tech wonders, and timeless temples. But have you ever wondered what the name Tokyo really means? Its name is simple, yet it tells a powerful story of change, ambition, and a new era for Japan. Let's dive into how Tokyo got its name and why it reflects a major turning point in Japanese history. Before it was Tokyo. Before becoming Tokyo, the city was known as Edo, which means estuary. Edo was a small fishing village that grew into a political powerhouse when the Tokugawa shogunate established it as their seat of power in the early 1600s. For over 250 years, Edo thrived as Japan's center of politics and culture, but it wasn't officially the capital. The big name change in 1868, during the Meiji Restoration, Japan's emperor moved the capital from Kyoto to Edo. To mark this monumental shift, Edo was renamed Tokyo, which literally means Eastern Capital. East, Kyo, capital. This name highlighted Tokyo's new role as the heart of a modernizing Japan, balancing tradition with rapid change. A capital with global impact. By choosing the name Tokyo, Japan symbolically shifted focus from its old capital in the west, Kyoto, to a fresh vision for the east. It marked a new chapter where Japan embraced industrialization and global influence, and Tokyo became the symbol of that transformation. What the name means today. Today, Tokyo is one of the most dynamic cities in the world, a perfect fusion of ancient heritage and futuristic innovation. Its name still reminds us that it's more than just a city. It's a symbol of progress and reinvention. It's a name that continues to inspire and captivate. So now you know, Tokyo's name means Eastern Capital, marking its rise as Japan's modern heart. What city or country name should I explore next? Drop your pick in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves the city of the rising sun, Tokyo. See you in the next city or country